Team Vegan Fit Fam, and we're going to show you how to make a special seasonal drink that you can mix on Halloween, Thanksgiving, and we use an orange liquor. And what else we got? We got Fireball, we got pumpkin spice knob, pumpkin spice creamer, we got agave that we use as the simple serve, we got pumpkin pie season, and we got rice whipped cream, and we got pumpkin puree. So, and we got the ice. Let's go. Let's work. Now, it's gonna be a fast, simple video and a delicious drink that you can use for the holiday with the family. You can get a little buzz if you want. But right here, the Fireball. That's about 1 ounce. Got the Fireball in there to bring out the flavor. We're going to use the orange liquor. Oh, we got that. I'm tripping. Now, it's the pumpkin spice knock. Want a little bit of agave because certain stuff already has flavors to it. Then you want to sprinkle a little bit of the pumpkin pie season up in there. And this the pumpkin spice cream. It's gonna taste like a latte, but it's a drink. So you're gonna feel it. Put the ice up in there. Now, alright, so now we use 1 ounce of Fireball, 1 ounce of orange liquor, 1 ounce of pumpkin spice knob, 1 ounce of pumpkin spice creamer. And now we're going to use about a tablespoon of pumpkin puree. Right there, and you take it, put the lid on it, and you want to shake it up till you see like the frost come on the side of it. Keep shaking it, and we're gonna show you once you pour it. It's getting frosty. You want to get the flavor in it. Alright, now it's frosty. Only thing, once it gets frosty, it's hard to get the lid off, but we're gonna just pour it. And you see how you don't see the pumpkin puree in there. Alright, now, throw anise. Put a little cinnamon stick. Cinnamon stick. Garnish it. Well, we're going to put a little whipped cream first. Put a little bit of pumpkin pie seasoning on top. And then we're going to show y'all the close up. Alright, so we about to taste it, see how it tastes. Very good, it's amazing. Thank you for tuning in. Try it. Let me know how you like it. Drop the comments below. And if you have another seasonal drink that you make, hit us in the comments. Let us know what type of drinks you make. Let us know the recipes so we can try and see how we like it. We love y'all, Team Vegan Fit Fam. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and we signing out.